Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's essential for our health: liver cleansing. Did you know your liver plays a crucial role in detoxifying your body? Let's explore 10 foods that can help support and cleanse your liver naturally. The liver is responsible for filtering toxins from our blood, producing bile for digestion, and storing essential nutrients. But with our modern lifestyles, it can get overwhelmed. Incorporating certain foods can help support its function. Food number 1, garlic. First up is garlic. This little powerhouse is rich in allicin and selenium, which aid in liver detoxification. Just a couple of cloves a day can make a big difference. Food number 2, leafy greens. Next, we have leafy greens like spinach and kale. These greens are high in chlorophyll, which helps absorb toxins and neutralizes heavy metals. Add them to your salads or smoothies for a healthy boost. Food number 3, beets. Beets are packed with antioxidants and nutrients that promote liver health. They help improve blood flow and reduce inflammation. Try roasting them or adding them to your juices. Food number 4, avocados. Avocados are not just delicious, they're also loaded with healthy fats and glutathione, which helps the liver detoxify harmful substances. Enjoy them on toast or in salads. Food number 5, turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. It helps improve liver function and boosts bile production. Consider adding turmeric to your meals or making a soothing golden milk. Food number 6, walnuts. Next on our list are walnuts. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids and glutathione, walnuts support liver detoxification. Snack on them or add them to your salads for a crunchy twist. Food number 7, lemons. Lemons are great for liver health due to their high vitamin C content. They stimulate the liver and help flush out toxins. Start your day with a glass of warm lemon water for a refreshing cleanse. Food number 8, olive oil. Using olive oil in moderation can benefit your liver by providing healthy fats that can help reduce fat accumulation. It's great for salad dressings or drizzling over cooked vegetables. Food number 9, apples. Apples are high in pectin, which helps cleanse and release toxins from the digestive tract. They make for a great snack or can be blended into smoothies. Food number 10, green tea. Lastly, green tea is loaded with antioxidants known as catechins. These compounds enhance liver function and aid in fat metabolism. Enjoy a cup daily for optimal benefits. Incorporating these 10 foods into your diet can help naturally cleanse and support your liver. Remember, a balanced diet, regular exercise, and staying hydrated are key to overall liver health. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips. What's your favorite liver-friendly food? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and take care of your liver. It's working hard for you every day.